A few days ago, I spoke about how important authenticity is to your success in business, career, and relationships. Today, I want to talk about integrity. Now, here's the thing. You already know how important integrity is. If you didn't care about it, you wouldn't be watching this video. But I'm making this video to encourage you to make integrity your business and/or career mission number one. I am suggesting that you make it your focus to the extent that if someone asked one of your clients or coworkers to describe you in one word, integrity would be the word they use. When you exude integrity, people love being around you and they love doing business with you because they know that they're safe. They know that you aren't going to stick it to them or rip them off even if you could get away with it. They know you'll do a good job and won't try to cut corners. Now, finding people with integrity is hard to do these days. That's why your integrity will multiply your success. So what is integrity? In my opinion, integrity is being honest and trustworthy and having moral and ethical principles, even if no one is watching, especially when no one's watching, and even when it's not in your best interest to do so, especially when it's against your interest to do so. Having integrity is selling the customer what's best for them, not what maximizes your profit or makes it easier for you. Having integrity is saying what you're going to do and then you do it. Having integrity is owning up to your mistakes and then fixing those mistakes. Having integrity is taking responsibility for your part in the issue rather than focusing the blame on others for their part, which might be legitimate. This is something that is in especially short supply these days. So when you behave this way, it really stands out. Having integrity is only committing to tasks when you know that you can deliver. Go out of your way to demonstrate your integrity, especially when there's nothing in it for you. When you act with integrity, even in the smallest ways, even when no one will see it, and even if it won't even be appreciated, there's one person who will notice, and that's the most important person of all. That's you. When you carry yourself with integrity, quality people will be drawn to you as a result. Yes, this will make you much more successful, but more important than that, you'll really love who you are. There's no greater success than that. So I have one question for you. If you were to ask your coworker or client to describe you in one word, would they say integrity? If not, is there something that you can do to make that happen? I'd love to hear more from you. Thanks.